Hello students. So in the last session we have already seen how to use sum function. Let us practice one more time. Now this time I am going to create here sheet 2. Okay, I am going to create here the sheet 2. Now I am going to copy same thing. Same thing I am going to copy. How to copy that? I will go here on A1. Okay, then shift button. Right side. Okay, downside. I am not going to copy the total. I'm just going to copy this with the help of shift button. Okay, how I have done this? With the help of shift button, I have gone right side, then shift button downside, then control C. Control C means what? Copy. Control C means copy. Then I will come here and I will go to A1 and control V. V for vanilla flavor ice cream. Okay, so V, control V, I can increase the width of the columns manually. Okay, so in this way I can copy this. Now imagine that I want to calculate total of all the class. I will calculate over here total. Okay, I can calculate here also. I can calculate here also. It doesn't matter. Okay, total. I'm just writing to understand here whatever I will write, it is total of maths. Here, whatever total I will write, it is total of science. How to do total? Simple. Sir, equal to sign. SUM sum. I can go downside, I can go upside. I want to select this. Should I select this? No. Should I select this? No. I want to select only sum. So I will click on tab button, tab button. Then I will click here, shift button, upside. Whatever I want to select, I will select and enter button. Similarly, equal to sum, tab button, upside, shift button, select all, and in this way, the total is done. One more time, I will create a sheet 3 and again this time I will go to A1. I will copy this table. I will copy this table. Okay, and I will click here. If I click here and paste control V, the table is copied here. But I want it here, let's say A1. That is why you have to press here. Okay, you have to click here and then control V. Oh, hey, it is getting two times. So control Z, control Z means what? Whatever step we are going forward, control Z means we will come one step backward. So I will click here and then I will again go to sheet 2. I will click here on A1, shift button right side, shift button down side. Whatever I want to copy, I will copy it. Control C, C for copy. Then I will come here. I will click here on A1 and control V, V for vanilla flavor. So V for paste. For pasting, we will use this. Automatically now your data is in front of you. Okay, now what I want to do is serial number, sorry, roll number are there, name of student, maths and science mark are there. Now imagine that I want to calculate the summation only. I want to calculate summation, but this time I don't want to calculate sum of their maths and science mark. I want to calculate summation of something different. Okay, what different I want to calculate? Let us try to understand. Okay, so here I'm going to write geography marks. Here I'm going to write Hindi marks. Here I'm going to write English marks, and here I'm going to write, let's say, anything, computer marks. Okay, now I think I should increase the column width so I can see it properly. How I am increasing column width? Sir, I am going on this border. Then I will click on my mouse button, left hand side mouse button, and I will drag here. I will move my mouse left and right, left side or right side. Okay, correct. I can increase width from directly selecting here, right button of your mouse, and column. Here also column width. I can make column width as 20, 25, whatever I want. See, automatically every width is increased. Okay, so again I will go here, right button of your mouse. I will click here on column. Okay, I will click here and I will make it as 20. Now everything is good. But here all borders is not there. So I will click here, shift button downside, shift button downside, shift button right side. I will go here and I will make it all border. it is now looking like a table. Here I will write some marks of my students randomly. Okay, out of 50, obviously. Okay, I'm writing random marks, so I do not have to write this. Then marks in Hindi. Okay, again I'm going to write down. Okay, then marks in English. Okay, okay, and then marks in computer. Very nice students are there. Okay, computer marks are very high. Okay, all right, now in this way everything I have written over here. Now I can see that here numbers are on right side, here numbers are in center. What I will do is, again one time I will select this, I will go here, center. Now is it center? No. Again one time I will click here, everything now center. Okay, now everything looks good. What I have to do is, now I have to calculate the total marks. I will write here total, capital T. How to write capital T? Shift button and then press on click on T. Leave the shift button, leave the shift. Now total, total. Okay, now equal to sign, sum, tab button, upside. Okay, shift button and then click here. Okay, done. Now I can do everywhere, I can do here everywhere same thing, equal to sign, sum. Okay, I can go downside, I can go upside, but I want to click here on sum only, so I will click on tab button, upside. Okay, can I do like this? Yes, you can do, but do not do that. Okay, click here, then you press on shift button. After clicking on shift button, then you go upside, click on enter button. Okay, now it is good enough. But instead of doing this, one formula if you have written, then shift button and select everything. Okay, select the blank row wherever you want to copy the formula. Control plus R button, control plus R button. Last time I have shown you that here if I am writing total here, see, if I am writing total here, okay, so equal to sum, tab button. Okay, I will select this, shift button right side, shift button right side. Should I select this? No. Shift button right here. Okay, left side, sorry. Then here marks is there. Then what I will do, I will copy the formula. How to copy formula? Shift button downside, shift button downside, control D, control D. If it is vertical, I'm writing control D, formula is copied. If it is horizontal, shift button here, select everything, control R. So these are shortcuts that I am using for summation formula. And now here I have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 ready. We have done addition of the numbers in the vertical column. We have done addition of numbers in horizontal row. We have done addition of the number with the help of shortcut formulas also. Okay, here if I want to copy formula, control D. If I want to copy formula, control R, horizontal. Okay, control R, control D. Okay, in this way it is done. Now you can save file by just clicking on control S. Okay, control S, and then it will ask you what should be name of file, where I should save it and everything. So you can give instruction, save the file successfully. Thank you so much, see you in the next video.